And COVID-19, health departments across the state are begging people to get vaccinated.
Yeah, this comes as the Show Me State tops the highest number of COVID-19 hospitalizations in the country. ABC 17's Layla Mitchell is live in Columbia after talking with health experts and health departments across the state.
And Layla, they told you we are at a point where it's vital that people get vaccinated.
Deb Lucas, right now I'm at Stevens Lake Park where a free concert and vaccine clinic wrapped up just about an hour ago. Now officials tell me they only gave out 9 vaccines today, and as COVID-19 continues to explode across Missouri, I checked in with health officials across the state to see what lengths they would go to get people vaccinated.
I just lost another friend with COVID-19. I cannot stand to go through another one.
As the rates of COVID-19 continue to rise across the state, health experts and community leaders are desperate to get shots into arms. Margaret Day, physician and co-chair of the COVID-19 vaccine committee at MU Health, said hospitals are filling up with unvaccinated individuals with severe cases of COVID-19.
Really want to avoid is, you getting so sick from COVID that you need to be in the hospital. And the vaccines are undoubtedly really good at that.
The White House has suggested health leaders go door to door to get vaccine information out to people. Governor Parson recently tweeted that, quote, sending government employees or agents door to door to compel vaccinations would not be effective. I checked in with health departments across the state to hear what lengths they would go to get people vaccinated. Did the health department ever do something like that, or have you guys done something like that, going door to door just to kind of, check in and see if people are getting vaccinated, see if they know about the vaccine?
Yeah, so we have done some door-to-door canvassing in neighborhoods where we have some of those community-based clinics.
Greene County says it does the same.
An outreach perspective, we're working with organizations who have influence on our community. The ways that they're doing that is knocking on folks' doors and offering to answer questions and providing them with that information.
MU Healthcare, the Columbia-Boone County Health Department, and Springfield-Greene County Health Department are continuing to hold vaccination clinics, and you can find out more information on how to sign up on their website. For now, reporting live in Columbia, Layla Mitchell, ABC 17 News.
Layla, thank you. Boone County Hospital status is in the yellow zone with 66 COVID patients hospitalized. Currently, there are 358 active COVID-19 cases in Boone County.